I can't believe I found these at TJ Maxx. I am in shock. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a pink Valentine's shopping haul, and I'm so excited. I did go to 3 different places, not all at once. I did go throughout the whole entire month. I went to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Michael's, and I picked out some adorable things that I'll be sharing with you today. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that is pink and girly and love the decor, then go ahead and click the subscribe button below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my social media. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started with the retail stores, I did want to share with you this adorable candle that I recently got from Charmed Aroma. Isn't she a beauty? Look at this adorable candle. Their packaging, their designs are to die for. This is so adorable. It's a cupcake, and the scent of the candle is cupcakes, and it smells so incredible. These are my favorite kinds of scents. I love anything that's very sweet, anything that reminds me of a bakery store. That's my scent. So this one here is actually vanilla cupcake. And the really cool thing about Charmed Aroma candles is that every candle has a surprise jewelry piece inside. So this one here in particular, the cupcake one, has a necklace, and there is, I believe, 3 different options. And when you burn your candle, once it burns, there's a little thing inside that's wrapped up very neatly. When you take it out, there is a necklace. So it's almost 2 in 1. You get, actually no, it's 3 in 1. You get the adorable ceramic cupcake, you get the candle, and then you get a piece of jewelry. So some of the candles have rings, the other ones have a mix of both, and this one, like I said, has a necklace. So I am so excited, and I just love their candles. They are so scented, and they last a very long time. So I highly recommend Charmed Aroma candles. They are adorable, and this is the perfect gift for Valentine's. So I'll leave you the link and details to Charmed Aroma candles down below. Check them out. They have many different options. So I'll start off with TJ Maxx. I can't believe I found these at TJ Maxx. I am in shock. When I saw that they had these, I literally almost fell to the ground. I grabbed them as quick as I could because it was only these 2. So these are these adorable Impressions Vanity makeup cases, the Barbie ones. I am obsessed. Look how gorgeous these are. They're beautiful. These are on the website, the Impressions Vanity, for about, I think they're $60 or something like that, and I found these at TJ Maxx. I could not believe it, at a fraction of a cost. They are beautiful. How gorgeous is this? You can use this as a makeup bag, even as a little lunch bag, or a little handbag. But I am obsessed. I love that they have a gold detail here with the zipper, and these are beautiful. It says limited edition on the side. So I did get 2, one for me and one for my best friend, and I am so excited that I found these at TJ Maxx. So another thing that I also found, also from Barbie, is this other makeup box, which is also adorable. This one here reminds me of a lunchbox, literally, but it's so beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this because I can put all my makeup whenever I travel or if we go on vacation, and it has the word Barbie here, and the back looks like this. Let me show you the inside. Look how beautiful this is. It has these little compartments. You can take them out if you don't want them, or you can leave them there to organize your makeup and have it all nice and ready to go. It also has this little zipper area right here. It lifts up and you get more space here so you can put like all your makeup brushes. This is gorgeous. This one here I believe was $29.99, but like I said, I have seen these at the Impressions Vanity website for like triple the price. So I couldn't believe that I found those 3 items. Like I said, those were the only ones, and then I went back a few days later just to see if they had any more, and I couldn't find any other ones. So I'm very excited that I found those. Actually, I did shop at Victoria's Secret. I totally forgot to mention that at the beginning. So this is an online order that I did, and I am so excited with this adorable bag. I saw it online and I haven't even opened it. Like, this arrived a couple weeks ago and I've been waiting to do this video. So this is the new Victoria's Secret heart crossbody bag. And look how beautiful this is. Gorgeous. Wow, this is so pretty. I haven't seen it because, like I said, I ordered it and I did not open it. This is beautiful. This is like the perfect Barbie pink. So pretty. It has like the Victoria's Secret logo in gold hardware, and then it has like a gold chain. Wow, this is beautiful. I did not see this in store, so I ordered it online. This is very comparable to the Kate Spade, and honestly, I like the quality on this one better. I definitely do. This is like softer. You can open this way better and you can fit so much more on this one. I am obsessed. Wow, this is beautiful. This is such a cute bag. Wow. And then I also got a little keychain, but you can also use this to put your coins inside. And I honestly just got it because it's like cute and pink and it matches the handbag. But the heart is like a puffy heart. It's so soft. It's like so quilted. And it's like the little matching set. Like, how cute. I'm gonna link them down below. They also have this in red and black. The black one looked gorgeous. I honestly might go back and get the black one because the black one is like a glossy black and it looks so luxurious, and it's also with the gold hardware, which looks incredible. I'm so excited with this purchase. So glad I got this. So let's move on with Michael's, and I got a few items there. I was shopping because I'm looking for like floral arrangements and just like decor pieces. I am having my wedding party very soon. I am so excited, and I was looking for like decor pieces, but when I went in there I saw that they had their Valentine's decor aisle all set up, and I picked up a few items. So I did pick up this gorgeous little picture frame. It is adorable. This is like so cute. It's like very like Victorian style. I also got this gorgeous decor. I'm probably gonna put this downstairs in my kitchen. It is beautiful. It's heavy. This is so heavy, and it has this like little hook so you can hang it, and it says press for champagne, and when you press on it, it makes that sound. This is gorgeous. I am so glad I picked this out. I almost left it, and then I was like, no, if I leave it, I know I'm gonna regret it later. So I got it, and that's how I am. If I see something that is pink and cute, I get it, because then I'll be sad at home because I didn't get it. And I also picked up this really gorgeous gold heart tray. This is like a little trinket dish. It's cute, and I'm probably gonna put this like in my vanity or something. This was only like $3.99. Absolutely adorable. The last thing I got from Michael's is this pink vase. It's like a mini vase. You can probably only fit like a couple roses in here, but I thought it was like so pretty. I love their Valentine's decor this year. It's all like vintage and pink. So pretty, like absolutely adorable. I love shopping at Michael's. Like, everything there is to die for. I can never go there and come out empty-handed. It's not gonna happen. But I did get this, and it was on sale. I think this was like $2.49, which I think is a steal, and it's like that perfect blush pink. I got some Barbie items. These are adorable. I can't believe I found these. These are Hot Wheel convertible Barbie cars. This is so funny, but I had to get them. They are gorgeous, and they are from Barbie the movie. They're like the little Corvette. How adorable. Of course, I picked up two, one for me, one for my best friend for Valentine's, but I just had to share these with you. I can't get over how cute these are. So adorable. These last two items are from Marshall's, and at the checkout line I spotted these. Look how pretty they are. They are Barbie socks. It comes in a pair of two. These pink ones are adorable. They literally have like ruffles on them. How cute. There's a gray and a pink, and I thought these were absolutely adorable. And I don't care what people say, you are never too old to get pink. You're never too old to like whatever you like. If it makes you happy, get it. It doesn't say anywhere that you have to be a certain age to get Barbie stuff. And life is short and you have to enjoy it to the fullest. Do whatever makes your heart happy. The last thing I got is this gorgeous decor vase. It is so delicate and so beautiful. It's blush pink and it has these little like pearls all around it. Isn't it stunning? Like the moment I saw this, I was like, wow, this looks gorgeous. It looks expensive. It just looks like really pretty. So of course I had to pick it up. So those were all the items that I got for Valentine's decor. Am I done shopping yet? Maybe not. It depends. If I go somewhere and I see something that catches my eye, I might get it. So I might have like another mini haul coming up. I did get something from Victoria's Secret as well, but it's not arrived yet, so I'll have to do that in a different kind of video. So those were all the items that I got from those stores. I hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much. I hope you have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.